and this is a poem I wrote about my school and what they taught me, what Mr. Torteca taught me in 9th grade. For many generations, our history has been stepped on, our culture has been disrespected, and our ancestors have been oppressed. But now we're the next generation, a generation full of determination to find the truth. We don't want inequalities, so we're fighting for equal opportunities. And even though we're expected to fail and not make it through high school, we will graduate from college and prove that we're not fools. Today we say enough is enough. We need to show them who we really are and what we can do when we are given the chance to succeed. Social Justice Humanitas is a type of school that's rare to find because unlike many other schools, it teaches us about our history and our culture. It gives us opportunities that others have denied us. Humanitas teaches us about ourselves, our past, and inspires us to continue and not give up until we are college graduates. The statistics may be against us, but Humanitas gave us the tools to fight against them. It gave us the truth about us. But you see, not everyone's lucky enough to go to a school who teaches about who they are and where they come from. Most students are stuck at a school that teaches history in just one perspective. Students have the right to learn about who they truly are, what their roots are, and what their history is like. We must spread ethnic studies to other schools. Let's decolonize the students' minds and open their eyes to their reality. Let's fight to have more ethnic studies classes in each school. Let's have schools teach us who we truly are. Stop conforming with their basic history, because when we know our roots, we're unstoppable. Spread ethnic studies, show us our true history. Woo!